Welcome to the Texas Learning Management System, LMS Overview. This presentation will cover the layout and features of the new Texas LMS. This presentation will introduce you to the LMS and will cover various features, including the sign-in screen, self-registration, site layout and navigation, and finally, support information. The LMS serves as a centralized location for training resources related to all Texas assessments, including STAR, STAR Alternate 2, TELPAS, and TELPAS Alternate. Educators, including district and campus coordinators, test administrators, technology staff, and other defined roles may access the LMS through a self-registration process. Users can access the LMS by clicking on the Learning Management System card on the tx.portal.cambiumast.com website, or by using the direct URL at tx.tms.pearson.com. Once on the sign-in screen, users will begin the self-registration process by entering a valid work email address and selecting the Continue to Trainings button. Users with an existing account who select this button after entering their email address will be taken directly to the LMS. The Continue to Educator Committees button is currently disabled and will be activated in October. Below the sign-in section is a link to frequently asked questions regarding the LMS. New users to the LMS will be taken to the Register screen and enter the required fields, including work email address and name. For the organization, users can begin typing the name of their district and/or school in their respective fields and select it from the list. The district-level staff option should be selected for users who do not work at a specific campus. Users may indicate no district or charter school affiliation, if applicable. After all required fields are entered, users will select the Register button. Upon the initial login, a welcome screen will appear with two options for a user to select. Selecting the Training button will direct users to the homepage of the LMS. The Educator Committees button is currently disabled and will be accessible in October. Next, we'll cover the layout of the Available Trainings homepage of the LMS. At the top left of the screen are the Pearson and Texas Assessment logos. Selecting the Texas Assessment logo will direct users to tx.portal.cambiumast.com. Next are the links for Home, Help, and User. Available training resources are listed by role. In the tabs across the top of the page, users will select their applicable role: District Testing Coordinator, District Testing Assistant, Campus Testing Coordinator, Test Administrator, Rater, Principal, Teacher, Technology Staff, other district roles, and other campus roles. The categories that appear on the left side of the screen are applicable to the role selected. Training resources applicable to the role and category selected will display on the main part of the screen. When available, these resources will contain the title, length, completion date, description, and launch button. Some titles will include links to registrations, slide decks, and recorded webinars. For live events, we will first have registration links available. Slide decks will be posted before the live event occurs, and recordings will be available after the event. This image is an example of a sample module users may access in the LMS. Users who have completed trainings may view their completions by clicking on the user icon and selecting View Completed Trainings. The page displays the title of the training, the date and time completed, and the length of time designated for each training. Certificates will be available for some training completions. This image is an example of a certificate earned for completing a module. For additional information regarding the LMS, please contact Texas Testing Support by phone at 833-601-8821 or by email at texastestingsupport@cambiumassessment.com. Thank you for viewing this presentation.